Well, I'm the medium distance voice.
All right, this would be me at reasonably far distance.
And this is me, close as fuck.
Molesting the microphone.
Yeah.
Oh,
my
yeah.
mouth,
Oh,
with my mouth.
you
voice.
smell nice.
You're Joe Bidening that microphone really hard right now.
Biting its finger.
Getting all up in its business.
Ooh. Let me give this 8-year-old a shoulder massage. Ooh.
What shampoo do you use?
Oh, God.
fuck.
I can't believe Joe Biden exists.
And we could be just lucky enough to one day
To
have him as our
President
commander-in-chief of...
the armed forces. Oh, God.
We're going to get up in ISIS's business
Yeah.
and their hair. I don't care what kind of turban they wear.
Oh, God.
God damn it, Nick.
It's like the opposite of Trump saying he's going to kill all their families. Like, I will smell the hair of every man, woman, and child in Afghanistan.
And once they know about the wonders of beard care, they will not have such hate and resentment.
Oh, man.
Fuck Clay Matthews. I'm the new spokesperson for Head and Shoulders.
Don't you want to smell nice for Joe?
Right? Yeah. He's cultivated that over 40 years.
Come give Papa Joe a kiss.
That's the most awkward shit when he kisses their forehead. I'm just like, ooh, please, no.
Ooh.
They're just like, that's a different generation. It's like,
I
don't think it was.
recall
Yeah.
my grandpa
My
saying when he
granddad
came
never
back
kissed
from
my
the
head.
war
Yeah,
and
exactly.
just began
Exactly.
kissing
Little girls' heads.
and
Yeah.
necks and fucking
Exactly.
holding their hair
Exactly.
in his hand.
Like, that was not the greatest generation.
Thank you for sending me that letter
Yeah.
on the front lines.
Oh,
That lock of hair got me through.
the war.